don't worry. I wouldn't touch you with my 10-foot pole.
And I wouldn't touch you with my 20-foot pole.
Just 1 year in New York, and you forgot your old friends.
Just 1 year that I'm in New York, and what did you do? But when we got engaged, you swore to be true. You promised to wait for me, and I believed you. Oh, you're a fickle.
And what are you crying about? Be brave. Forget. That's the New York way. Nothing must be too serious, and nothing must ever be dragged on too long.
Oh, Tony, please, please.
Besides, there can be no more talk about our engagement. Imagine that. A New York girl marrying a Tondo boy.
Oh, Tony, please. I've been such a fool. I'm sorry, Tony.
Well, I'm not. I'm glad I found out what kind of person you are.
Oh, Tony, you're wrong. You're wrong. I'm not that kind of person at all.
Oh, person. Is that a relative name?
Yes, Tony. That was Francesca saying all that. But Francesca exists no more.
In that silly dress?
Oh, this is just a gift wrapping, Tony.
Well.
Is it true, Tony? And Kikai, remember me?
If I remember it right, I was right. I was engaged to a girl named Kikai.
And you're still engaged to her, Tony.
Welcome home, Kikai. How was the trip?
Horrible! I couldn't wait to get back.
Like it in New York?
Just give me a number anytime.
Why didn't you answer my letters?
Francesca wouldn't let me write, Tony.
Oh, that nasty girl. I'm glad she's dead.
Princess! Oh, Tony, you're still here. So angry I couldn't find any celery.
Oh, never mind, Eli. I hate celery.
Hate celery? Why? You said you can't live without it.
That was Francesca, Aligata. And Francesca said, the girl standing before you is now Kikai.
But Francesca is Kikai.
It's true, Mommy. I'm not Francesca. I'm Kikai.
I give up.
That too? What memories it brings back. And we're serving in New York at any candles. Sorry, darling. May I have this dance with you, partner?
Delighted.
Thank you.